Hello people, welcome to the first session of what is this now? Advanced accounting paper. That's our paper number 1. Unfortunately, we are starting it on the last, I think, no? It's okay. But it's still exam wise, it is paper number 1 for us. It's a full-fledged paper of 100 marks. So before I dive into the topics, let's have a quick overview as to like what we'll be doing or what you can expect from me and what I can expect from you over this next 45 or 50 days that we have planned our get together for. Okay, sir? All right, they're laughing. Get together, party now. You are there means everyday party only, no, sir. You are full vibes, no. We are old, you are young blood, no. So full party vibes only. Whenever I come to class, party only. What, sir? Today, tomorrow party, no, he's saying some other party, 31st December, no. Yeah, his mood is in different life wavelength only, no. Okay, so before we dive into the topics, let's have a quick overview. First of all, I am called, name somebody eliminated. Name should not be eliminated, no. Yeah, first I will wait. CS Sandesh. Sandesh is my name. CS alphabet I acquired in 2011. Okay. So yeah, I was in corporate for about couple of years. Since about 2015, I think I'm in the teaching field. So that's like probably 11 plus, close to 11 years now. So I specialize in accounts paper. Earlier, I used to take CA foundation accounts also. Now I've discontinued CA foundation accounts. I only handle accounts at inter and final level. At CA inter, I also handle financial management topic only at our Koramangala, Bengaluru branch. Okay, just in case you are asking. I know that it is not of much interest to you. Just my information. I am spreading the joy. Okay, so that's a brief profile about myself. So now let's get into the topic as such. As I told, this is a paper number 1. It is a full-fledged paper for 100 marks. And about few years back, our mother body decided to make the CA exams or curriculum very easy. So 30% they added a MCQ. Bindas, you can select. No negative mark currently. So aram say you can select the answer. As of now, the way I know, as per as my best of knowledge, there is no negative marking for MCQ question. So please do make sure that you attempt it. Even if you don't know, Jai, Allah, Shiva, Jesus, done. Okay, whatever works, please select. You never know, it might go in your favor. 30 marks is basically your MCQ driven, and about 70 marks is your descriptive. So that's your paper pattern. And very simple paper pattern ICAI has kept since very long time. Basically, 6 questions. How many questions? 6 questions. One is choice. So basically, you're supposed to answer only 5. I'm not talking about the MCQ. I'm talking about the descriptive. In descriptive, you have to answer 5 questions out of 6. Each question carries 14 mark. 14 5s are 70. That takes care of your descriptive portion. Balance 30 is your MCQ. One is a choice. And don't be in your with your BCom mentality and all. That out of 6 or out of 6 I will answer all the 6. People find it difficult to answer complete 100 mark papers only in CA. Okay, don't be that Bruhaspati and all. Okay, which they in fact give you the paper 15 minutes before question paper. Read the paper and figure out which are the best questions that you can afford to answer. Lock in that and then start. Okay, that's one. And the duration of the exam is around 3 hours. Same, in 3 hours you're supposed to complete. So if roughly if you do the math, so 100 marks, 3 hours is 180 minutes, no? 1 hour is 60 minutes, no? So that makes 3 hours to be 180 minutes. So 100 marks you're supposed to answer in 180 minutes. So that gives you 1.8 minutes for a 1 marker. That's a simple mota math. Okay, so you can roughly calculate like for a 14 marker question, 14 into 1.8 if you do 14 into 1.2, 25. So that means roughly around 25 to 30 minutes you can keep for a 114 marker question. Why am I stressing on this? One of the major culprits of people not cracking CA examination is time management. Sir, I knew the answer, sir. Unfortunately, invigilator came and like my girlfriend, he snatched my papers. Happens. Okay. Don't go feminist on me, okay? Boyfriend also it could be. All right. There some of them are looking at no. You are very sweet people. Okay. So, but yes, jokes apart, the one of the reason being we don't have enough time. So you need to focus on this element, or you need to keep this for every question. The moment you're crossing 25 to 30 minutes on a per question basis, already know that you're approaching go in the zone or danger zone. Please don't go into that. Right? Maximum 30 minutes. Beyond that, you should have heart to kidney, brain, everything to stop that question and move on to the next question. You can leave 1 or 2 pages and move on. And later, if time permits, you can always come back and revisit whatever portion that you have unanswered. So that's your paper pattern. Okay, na Goinda? All right. Online people, all good. You're giving our Kanti Pudi is saying tomorrow holiday na. First adu chappandi. Yeah. Other things I'll take care of it later. Hey Kanti Pudi macha. I think you came from Andhra, noda? No, Kanti Pudi is Hosur. Last time I think somebody was you Hosur na macha. What's your name? Da? I forgot many names. Darshan. Darshan. In I think last 1 year, 2 years context, Darshan is a bad name to have. I think no, especially if it adds with Darshan T. If T adds up, I think it is more trouble. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow holiday, macha. He's like, hey, forget masala. Tell me this first. Tomorrow holiday. So look at the irony of our classes. Today start to tomorrow break or again restart. I don't know why they keep the schedule like that. I told give me also holiday. No, I will directly start on second. You would also be very happy, no? I would also be very happy, no? They told no. Come take class. I said, Dabba fellows. Okay, fine. Anything for the lovely students. Now, the next thing is class material. I've sent the PDF file, the 2 PDF files that you might have got in your group. Recorded, guys, don't worry. It would have already been uploaded under the course itself called a resource section or study resource section. There you can download the class materials. Not chartbook or soft copy is not available. I'll talk about chartbook in a bit. But the main class notes has 2 files, 2 PDF files that you can download and print it on your own, or you can place the order and we will print it and dispatch to your whatever address that you have given. All right. That class material, how have you constructed, sir? Have you done a lot of creativity, sir? Absolutely no, sir. Copy paste is what I've done. From where, sir? ICAI Zindabad. ICAI study material I've taken. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Like this, I've done many times, and I've made my class material. Along with that, certain RTP MTP questions are also incorporated. What is RTP, Chapandi? Revision test paper. MTP, mock test paper. Every attempt, every examination attempt, ICAI releases one RTP and two MTPs. So basically, every attempt you'll get put together 3 components called RTP and MTP. Some of those new questions of RTP MTP also I've tried to bring in here. RTP MTPs we'll anyway record it separately each attempt also. Sometimes we'll upload it on the YouTube. Sometimes we'll upload it on, or every time we will upload it under the course. So it will be available. Another thing is colored chartbook. I'm pretty sure since I'm the last faculty handling group 1 classes, I think you must be aware of this term now. Chartbook, because every faculty will kind of have their own chartbook. Mine, I don't know whether it is similar to others or not. Mine looks like this. It's a color handwritten chartbook that I follow. All right. So I'm just showing you a sample how it looks like. Okay. So what is the intention or thought process behind this chartbook is, sir, in fact, probably in your curriculum, right, whether it is your CA inter curriculum or CA final curriculum, accounts is the lengthiest topic at ICAI. I don't know why accounts, ICAI has so much liking towards accounts, or maybe towards so much dislike towards accounts teachers, that they've made the syllabus very vast, right? So lot of things, there are a lot of contents. Like on the examination day, if I give you like 600-page ka notebook, and if I say revise macha or machi, your feeling will be super or little bit not that good. Not that good. Now, if I give you a 60-page ka maybe handbook, around 60-70 page ka handbook, and say all the concepts are covered using this handbook, what is your confidence now? Better? Still better or better? Better, right? So that is the intention behind chartbook. So now our syllabus, there were a time 2-3 years before where the curriculum was mostly mug up approach, by heart approach, where there were a lot of topics. It was format driven. Students had to just practice that and they used to clear the examination. But right now, the focus of ICAI has become more conceptual testing. So in your inter accounts is full of accounting standards. CA final, it's all full of Ind AS. Accounting standard is local standards, Ind AS is international standards. So they are focusing more towards the standards and concept oriented testing now. Right. So since there are a lot of concepts to remember and to recollect, I've just brought all those concepts in this chart book. That's roughly around, I'm just saying you, 70 pages maybe. So you will be able to cover all the concepts of our advanced accounting in about 2 to 3 hours roughly. So on the examination day, roughly you will have how many hours? Maybe 18 to, because you get 1 day break, right? So ideally you will have 18 to 20 hours. So in 18 to 20 hours, if you can spend 2 to 3 hours on concepts, balance you can use for the questions. So that way your confidence level will be higher. So with that intention, we have made this particular chart book. I'm pretty sure that every faculty would have done it with the same intention. Now, this particular notes, so whether it's our normal class notes or whether it is our chart book, all right, this particular notes ka soft copy is available. Chart book ka soft copy is not available specifically for recorded students. I'm saying no partiality. We are not giving it for these guys also. No need to worry. Okay. All right. So if you want to order any of this, you can visit our website. Okay. There are two websites. I think currently online.arivupro.com is something which is currently that we are using. Okay. You can log in here and you can buy the classes or buy the books. It's available on this particular platform. So this is about the material. Okay, Saru. Next, any doubt till here? Okay, next, sir, how long should we see, sir? Already we are bored, sir. Yes, no. Dilip sir was better, sir. Now you're becoming bored, sir. Correct, no. Dilip sir used to do all no, balle times. I think he cracks, he does all this dancing, ginsing and all, no? I'm very shy, so I can't do all that. So how long, if you ask me that we have to see each other, that's roughly for around 200 hours. There's a average number. It could be plus or minus 10% here and there. Okay, if you don't like me, we'll try to wind up earlier. If you like me too much, maybe 1 day or 2 days extra. Depending on, we will see coverage of syllabus. This is the average duration. I'm estimating the completion time. Okay, Govinda. Last one, no, some other component. This is specifically for recorded students. We have a lot of recorded students who initially kind of posted out saying, sir, there is a lot of videos. There are some hundreds of videos. Which video in what order I should watch? Can I watch the videos in any random order? We used to get a lot of questions on this. So to sort out this, what I've done is I've created a PDF file called recommended order for watching the online videos. That PDF file will say in which order you're supposed to watch the videos. My suggestion is kindly don't change the order. Watch the videos in the order as per this particular file. The reason why we say is this particular order that I'm mentioning in that PDF, that is the order in which we are conducting our face-to-face and live online classes. And many topics in accounts are interconnected. So if you suddenly change the order, I might have said we would already discussed this. You'll not get what I'm referring to here. So my personal suggestion, do not change the order. Keep it as it is. This is one. All right. Second one, people, now here we have started the party. You will have some expectations from me. What expectation, Guru? Bega, break kodo. Today's class you wind up soon, right? Somebody is waiting for me. Will not go there. Somebody is waiting. Yes, no. Forget about that. In the context of exam, you tell me, are you expecting something? Oh, what, pa? Huh? Oh, what, ma? Little louder, ma. Sometimes my hearing comes and goes. Like concept ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡು ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮಗನೇ. Okay, all right, concept. Next presentation. ಏನು presentation ಗುರು? What are you going for marriage? I'll present you. Okay, presentation. It's okay. My extra cholesterol I have. Don't worry about that. Next activity ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನೇ. ತಯ್ಯ ತಕ್ಕ you do it outside class. Next, sir, simple basic thing you tell us, sir. Teach in a way that we understand and ultimately clear the exam. That is important. No, all presentation and all. Who wants much? Ultimately, you want what? The certificate, no? So help us in get that certificate, That's a basic expectation. At least you will have, even if you're not saying yes or no. Like that, when you are putting so much pressure on me, I can pass on a little to you, no. I also have chintu pintu expectations from you. Can I? One though, daily revision for 30 minutes. Not inside the class. That doesn't count. Okay. After the class is over, at your place or whichever place that you are going, that I will not comment. Yeah. Wherever that you are, make sure that at least 30 minutes you spend the time with the advanced. So you every day you have a date with one girlfriend called what? Advanced accounting, or a boyfriend called advanced accounting. That date you should take it very seriously. Otherwise, they'll break up. Okay, and this breakup is very costly. Huh? Yeah, I see. It's not like a normal thing. This is very, very costly breakup. This is okay. So make sure that you honor that particular commitment. What commitment is that, sir? Daily revision for at least 30 minutes. I'm just giving you an average. People, maximum number of things we'll try to do it inside the class only. I don't believe in giving too many homeworks and all. Only repetitive questions I usually pass it off as homework. Majority of the things we'll try to cover whatever with available time in the class only. All you have to do is, I know that you have a lot of commitments. Maybe some of you are working, or maybe some of you are in your college. I don't know, right? Where you are, all right? So whatever be it, at least 30 to 40 minutes, I expect you to still sit with this particular topic. I feel that much is good enough for you to revise that particular data content. If you can take care of this, I think on the examination day, things are going to get a lot easier for yourself. So don't treat this like a BCom examination. Usually, like, there is a lot of hype in the market that CA is very tough and all that, right? Yes, there is. No matter who says, the general notion in the market is this is one of the toughest courses, or psychologically very pressurous course to crack. The reason for that is many students, they keep the things for the last minute. They'll feel like we'll attend the class now. 1 month, I will sit and I will try to study everything. Not that it is not possible, just that this will become pressure cooker. Too much to handle. Just imagine one subject ka duration is how much? 200 hours. That I am taking. Now, after I do this, you also have to do your stuff now. Right? So, if each subject ka volume is so much, now you have 6 papers. Now you do the math. 200 into 6 means 1200 hours. So, then you do now 1200 hours for covering the syllabus. You have to also revise, no? Right now you feel if you have to study like 1300 1400 hours ka content within 1 month, how much pressure you'll have to go through, right? That will be like sitting, it's not possible also. I mean, even if you cut this into half also, right, it's still studying like 14 hours 15 hours a day becomes too much pressure, so much not required. All you have to do, I'm a simple person, okay, I don't do too much of big strategies and all. I'm not that person, don't ask me for all that. Okay, my simple funda, I secured a rank in one of the levels. My funda of this was very straightforward. Practice once, revise. If passing the paper or clearing the group is your intention, one revision is a must. One time study, one time revision, that is sufficient. If rank is your aim, then the revision has to become 3 to 4 times. So the better the revision, better are your chances of you scoring a rank. That's all is the differentiating factor between a person who has not cleared the exam versus who has cleared the exam versus who has secured a rank. It's all about that. Person who has not cleared the exam, he has not covered the syllabus properly or not revised properly, right? The as you revise things more and more number of times, your chances of scoring a rank and marks will drastically increase. That's all I would suggest. Rest is your call. I don't believe in force feeding. I only believe in giving the information. How you want to use it, Guruve, your call. Fine. Now, second one expectation that I have is attendance, right? Please make sure that you are here in the classroom or at least on a live online mode. One way or the other, make sure that you are present. The reason why I say is I will not track all this. Don't worry about that. Right? I'm not that thing. Academy is tracking that. That's a different issue. But personally, as a teacher, as I said, I don't believe in force feeding. But simple funda is if you are serious about your degree, right? These two are a must. The reason why I say attendance is many topics are connected. Like today's topic, whatever will be starting, I may finish it tomorrow or maybe day after. So if first day ka topic, if you bunked, if you come on the second day, Now I cannot give you what has happened in the first day ka full recap. Can I give it to you in 15 minutes? Not possible. So if you miss out first day ka session, you may not understand what is happening in the second day, because many topics are interconnected. We will not be in a position to finish and start a new topic. So kindly make sure that you are here in some way or the other. By chance, if you're missing also, I would suggest that even for your face-to-face and live online students, we are giving recorded access. So kindly watch that video and then come to the classes is what I would again suggest. Online some comments have come. Let's read. Compared to foundation accounts, how will be inter accounts? Inter accounts is umma macha. Full clarity na. Hey, Ramakrishna, you started with your pickada. Ayyo, Guru. I think in FM to he sent so many picks that I got bored only. Now again he started with his picks. So, okay. Don't worry, inter accounts and all is easy only. And I would say that this is a better syllabus wise. It's good because it concentrates on the accounting standards, which is one of your practice areas after you qualify. So that way it adds value to your career growth. So it's one way syllabus is good. It's not like your foundation accounts where you'll have to mug up many topics which are mostly outdated topics which doesn't have practical relevance. That's not the case with CA inter syllabus as well as CA final syllabus. Both goes similarly. Okay, a few things is, sir, if you some students ask how to download the classes, sir, we have internet issues again. Recorded students, if you want to download the classes or if you want to have speed control option, watch our classes at 1.25 speed, 1.5, etc, or quality control, all that option is available on ArivuPro app. We suggest that you kind of all of you download this. In case there is any amendments or any changes that has taken place in the course, it'll be easy for us to notify. We also make sure that we do a YouTube video on amendments, but just saying that it may be a safer site to kind of download so that we can connect a little better. This one our marketing team told you. If you like it, you can review. Otherwise, your choice. Another one again specifically for recorded students is, so when one student, so we have created a kind of what a holistic doubt support system where one student asks a doubt, it's available, right? Anyone can answer that. So if by chance, if you go into the all discussion mode, there's something called all discussion on our ArivuPro app, right? If you go there, you will be able to see what and all queries each student has posted. If you know the answer to that, I suggest that you post it, because sometimes what happens, like we may not be available right now. Let's see, somebody might have posted a doubt now, but right now for the 5 hours, 6 hours, I'll be handling the class. Now I cannot open the app and sort it out, right? But if you feel that you can help that particular student out, help it out. Okay, that is one. Second one, it may also help you to revise that old concept better. Only if you know the answer, Guru, answer. Don't say, I think this may be. Then it will come as another doubt to me. Don't increase my headache. Okay, only if you know the correct answer, if you are confident about it, answer. Otherwise, you leave it to me, I'll take care of it. Sometimes it becomes, we should be very careful what we say also. Next, it should not be that I go home and see, instead of 4 queries, I see 400 queries now. I think I'm better off with 4. Yeah. So this is about the overview of what, how, and how long we shall be covering the course. Anything you have, people? You want me to treat that you are utterly dumb? Why, ma? I'll treat that you are utterly brilliant. No. Yeah, let's use the other approach. But anyways, I got your sentiment. No problem. Yeah, no worries. Anything else? Don't worry. Personal chat. Not relevant for you. Anything you have? No? All okay? Okay, Ji. I think this was your intro. Thank you.